If you want to learn how to send email with Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step from opening Gmail to writing your message and sending it successfully. This is a simple skill, but once you know it, you can send emails much faster and with a lot more confidence. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar, go to mail.google.com. That will take you directly to Gmail. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you're asked to do so. Just enter your email address and password, then continue into your inbox. Now that you're inside Gmail, look over to the left side of the screen and find the Compose button. This is the button you use whenever you want to create a new email. Click Compose and a new message window will appear. This is where you'll put all the details of your email. The first thing to enter is the recipient's email address. Click inside the To field at the top of the message window, then type the email address of the person you want to contact. Make sure it's spelled correctly because even one small mistake can send your message to the wrong person or stop it from sending at all. Next, add a subject line. The subject is the short title of your email, and it helps the recipient know what the message is about before they even open it. Click the subject field and type something clear and simple. For example, you might write meeting update, question about your order, or just checking in. A good subject line makes your email easier to understand and more likely to get read. After that, click in the main body area and type your message. This is where you write everything you want to say. You can keep it short and simple or write a longer message depending on what you need. Try to be clear, polite, and direct so your reader can understand your point quickly. If you want, you can also add line breaks to make your email easier to read. If you need to include a file, Gmail makes that easy too. Look for the Paperclip icon in the Compose window. That icon is used to attach files such as documents, images, PDFs, or spreadsheets. Click the Paperclip, choose the file from your computer, and wait for it to upload. Once the attachment finishes uploading, it will appear in your email before you send it. This is especially useful if you're sharing a resume, a photo, or an important document. Before sending, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the recipient's email address, make sure the subject line looks right, and read through your message one more time. This quick check can help you avoid mistakes and make sure your email looks professional. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click Send, and Gmail will deliver your email to the recipient. After that, your message is on its way, and you'll usually see it appear in your sent folder. That's how easy it is to send an email with Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next helpful video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.